Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand the process of identifying errors occurred in e-invoicing and resolve them to generate e-invoices seamlessly. The video covers the errors that you can see on the screen and the steps to resolve these errors. Errors in e-invoicing can occur due to reasons such as use of duplicate invoice number or an invoice number starting with 0, a negative value in the invoice, or future date in invoice. An error also occurs when the GSTIN of the party or company is invalid due to incorrect format, presence of special characters, or other such reasons. In TallyPrime, you can drill down to identify the transactions rejected by e-invoice system or missing invalid information in respective sections of e-invoice report. Now, let us first look at the error that occurs due to duplicate invoice number. Consider that you had generated an e-invoice for a transaction with invoice number. Thereafter, you had to cancel the invoice or you just created a new voucher with the same invoice number. In such a case, when you try to generate e-invoice for the transaction, the e-invoice system rejects it. Open the Rejected by e-invoice system in the e-invoice report. Drill down to the transaction with reason for rejection as duplicate IRN. Change the invoice number. Note that you can change the invoice number only when method of voucher numbering is set to manual. Set Provide e-invoice details to Yes. Remove the duplicate IRN. Press Ctrl A to save. Press Y to generate e-invoice for the transaction and enter your credentials. You do not need to enter the credential for the next 6 hours unless you turn off your computer. As you can see, the e-invoice gets generated. The voucher also gets updated with the acknowledgement number and IRN.